Hi guys, the usual lazy afternoon. I walked today, I'm not even kidding. I think it's about I have to double check, but I think it's close to 1700 steps, and I'm not even home yet, so I'm assuming by the end of the day it's going to be much more. Today is very windy day. I'm not even sure guys if you can hear me. Check those waves. I think it looks like surfer's paradise. So cool. I'm on my way to some historical place, and I'm gonna show you some parts when I'm going to that place, when I'm gonna get there, etc. And last night I didn't really have a good sleep. I don't know, with absolutely no any reasonable explanation whatsoever, but I woke up in the middle of the night with my eyes wide open, and I couldn't fall asleep. And then I was just kind of tossing and turning, but at the end I couldn't sleep at all, and I decided to wake up in the morning, and I thought I'm gonna have as much activity as possible today, so then at night I'm just gonna fall asleep for sure. And so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm kind of going uphill, and then I will show you some extra sceneries. Hi guys, just another day in paradise. I just literally got outside of my apartment, and I'm going for my morning walk, and I will show you the place that I'm going. It's absolutely fantastic. Just give me a second. You see that little hidden beach? And see what people did over there? They put a heart. How cute is that? So peaceful, absolutely peaceful, and you can hear it from my breathing that I'm actually going uphill, and that's what I usually do. Lots of walking. Look at that. Can you see right there? It almost looks like there is a river inside the sea. Isn't that cool? So beautiful. It's the first day ever after 2 weeks since I'm in Benidorm, Spain. We have actual rain, and they said that it's going to be a very heavy rain today. If that's what they call heavy, that's literally laughable to me, because it's not really heavy at all, but we shall see. Maybe later on it's gonna get heavier. So that's Benidorm, Spain on a gloomy day. Hi guys, today is exactly 1 month since I came to Spain, and I'm on my morning walk, or it would be the afternoon walk, I would say. So did some things that I have to do at my house, clean up, recorded a couple of videos. You're gonna see me in this top and my Chanel necklace on those videos, and right now I'm walking, clearly enjoying my walk. And while I'm walking, I wanna talk about something. You know, being right now, as I said, today is exactly a month since I came to Spain. I'm already started adjusting to the lifestyle, you know, just kind of taking everything slow, one day at a time, not being in such a, you know, rat race all the time, because it's obviously what we do in North America is pretty much, you know, rat race every single day, and that's what I'm trying to avoid in here, and actually taking everything slow and enjoy my slow pace lifestyle. But because I came here clearly for the enjoyment, but at the same time do a little bit of vlogging here and there, sharing my outfit with you guys, etc. And I have to say that I have an enormous respect right now for the professional fashion bloggers, those ones that travel maybe, I don't know, 2-3 months at the time without being able to come back to their own place to add some outfits or bring some extra handbags, etc. Because believe it or not, it's not really easy. You have to be extremely organized to put all your outfits together for such a long period of time. And once again, what I'm trying to say, I am extremely respectful toward those people right now, because, like, for example, as Tamara, because I have no idea how she is doing, because, or otherwise you're taking, like, you know, several suitcases on your travel trip, because I don't really want to do that. Anyway, I'm on my morning walk, and that's about it, what I want to say right now, and I will be in touch with you very soon. Oops, I'm closing my camera. See, another unimportant respect for those fashion bloggers, that they know every single day, you know, when you're looking or where you're walking, etc., trying to avoid those funny mistakes. So that's about it, and I will see you soon. I just came from open market and I got these gorgeous persimmons. Oh my goodness, look at them. Absolutely delicious. I eat so much fresh fruits and vegetables over here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I just gonna cut some and I gonna enjoy some. Look at that. That's how much I got just from one fruit. And to be honest, I already snacked one piece. It's absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. So as I said, I already snacked one. So let's try one more. Juicy, fresh, and truly ripe.